Spanakopita. Cheers. Cheese. Feta cheese, is that what you said?
Tastes good.
It's good. It's a lot softer than I expected it to be. Like mushy.
I didn't know what it was gonna taste like at all. Like, I see what's in it, but I was still like, but would recommend.
Spanakopita.
You know that feeling when it's like, even if you feel like you haven't had it before, it just still tastes very familiar.
Mm-hmm.
Like I really feel like I'm surprised it's something I haven't had before.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
It is good.
I do like me some Greek.
I love cheese. And so the cheese is a great thing. I love spinach. So the combination of the cheese and the spinach, it's very good. So I like it.
A very good vegetarian cuisine.
Fideo on video.
I think it's really good. It tastes like my mom makes a spaghetti, a regular spaghetti, but like she's Nigerian, so she doesn't make it what normally, and it's sort of reminiscent. It tastes like home.
It's like actually really similar to the spaghetti my mom makes, which my mom also doesn't make regular spaghetti. She makes like Lebanese spaghetti, and it's like very similar to this.
Woo. There we go.
Well, I must say, it's literally beef fajitas and spaghetti.
I like it a lot. It tastes really good.
Yeah, normally I didn't know how I'd feel about long, like
Yeah,
noodles
keep
that
going.
aren't long, but it's actually really good when the noodles are shorter.
Mm-hmm. I could eat way too much of this.
Yeah, I might have to empty that bowl.
Are you ready?
Pink.
Think.
I thought I had it in my hand, but I didn't. Let's try it.
This is really good. This is really good.
Yeah, it's thought.
It does. It's like the outside of the like tortilla has like a little bit of a char on it, which is delicious. And then also this one has like beans in it, and I love beans, and it's great. And the salsa's good too.
There's something familiar about this too. It's almost like, kind of reminds me of tamales, in a way. Even though I've had a love-hate relationship with them, because for the longest I know that wrapping you couldn't eat it. But still,
Nice. I'm glad that's been documented.
it's very good. I give it a thumbs up.
That one was really good.
Allergic to them.
I agree that it does taste a lot like the kind of corn flavor that you get in a tamale.
Yeah.
This is a corn tortilla,
Yeah.
so that makes a lot of sense. The chicken filling was good, but I'm expecting this bean one to be a lot better.
We shall see.
Here we go.
Let's do this.
Mm-hmm.
I must say, this could make me quite the bean kind of guy.
The bean is definitely very good.
Akara is a black bean fritter, and it's just like you make the batter by soaking the beans overnight, and then you just put them in the blender and you pour them.
What is it called?
Akara. Akara.
Akara.
Perfect.
Is it?
Oh. Cheese lots.
Oh, that's good. Mm-hmm.